is Emma Castro. Today I will be persuading you into deleting your social media to better your mental health. A wise man once said that comparison is the thief of joy, and I feel that perfectly sums up as to why social media affects your mental health so much. I will be discussing 3 areas about social media. I will be discussing the effects of social media on mental health, the causes of those effects, and the difference after deleting your social media. I've done my own personal research on this topic that involves scholarly articles and magazines with personal experience and my own personal experience that I have with deleting my social media and seeing my mental health better after the fact. So, first, the effects of social media. Social media has been shown to greatly affect one's self-esteem, and so much so that it has caused a lot of people to view their body differently, even with some people resorting to eating disorders, body dysmorphia, because they are comparing themselves to the people that they see on social media. Eating Disorders Review in October of 2021 saw that did a study on a young TikTok girl that had been seeing all these TikTok videos of girls dancing, and she ended up developing a severe eating disorder during the pandemic because she kept on comparing herself to them. Because this media that we consume is very, very toxic. Relationships also are affected by social media. Things like it makes it easier for people to cheat, it makes for less communication because of phone addictions that social media causes, and etc. Social media also not just affects our self-esteem, but our overall mental health and stress. It's because of the media that we consume on our social media. So, activist Psychiatricus Galilea Carmen in December of 2018 reported that depression is often associated with the social media consumption that some viewers were experiencing when they would see many of things like world news and such. So, what causes all these negative effects? Now that we've talked about the negative effects, we'll talk about the causes of those negative effects. So, social media promotes an unrealistic beauty standard. As you can see, I have a photo of some influencers that have posted their picture and their after picture when they were actually photographed without them posing or edited. We are actually shown many things, many unrealistic beauty expectations because of the algorithm. So TikTok's algorithm, reported by The Medium in October 18th of 2021, was shown that they have a sort of algorithm that scales your prettiness and will automatically show you someone who is prettier so that you can consume that media. Also, false information is spread all over all social media platforms, regardless if there is policies in place, it will always be spread. False information could be anything from world news to things like misinformation about COVID-19 or rumors. Cyberbullying can also be considered misinformation. So, reported by StopBullying.gov in 2019, that 16% of most high schoolers have experienced cyberbullying through social media. Social media causes addiction and trust issues in relationships because of the algorithms. So because we are consuming so much social media, we end up forgetting to improve our relationships in person. So, now that we've talked about the causes advantages and the effects of social media, I will talk about how I felt and how others felt after deleting social media. So, after deleting social media, many people have seen improved conversations, relationships, moods, self-esteem after deleting social media. The HuffPost, on April 7th, 2021, had first-hand experience, has an article of collective first-hand experiences of after people had deleted their social media. Many of them reporting all improved moods, conversations, and self-esteem. Including myself, I felt that I had compared myself to a lot of these social media influencers, and it was very unhealthy. I thought I was fat, I thought I wasn't good enough, I thought that I was just ugly. And after I did social media, I found the gym. I found that I loved the gym. I had so much time for it now that I wasn't addicted to my phone. And I found that I love being a muscular woman. I love having muscles. It is amazing how much can change just by downloading an app or a few apps. Now that I've talked about the effects of social media, the causes of those effects, the difference after deleting social media, I feel that it is a good way to end this off. Now, I need to